The manufacturing industry has long been the backbone of our economy, creating opportunity for millions, improving livelihoods, and making life better around the world. As manufacturing has become more advanced, the shop floor has evolved, requiring new talents and skills to harness the power of new technology. To power the future of manufacturing, we'd need a new kind of worker. But how to equip more people with these talents and know-how? In 2010, Toyota, in collaboration with Bluegrass Community and Technical College in Georgetown, Kentucky, set out to be the solution. They created the Federation for Advanced Manufacturing Education, or FAME. The vision? A program that would train the next generation of manufacturing team members, where students would split time between the classroom and the real world on the shop floor. Toyota dubbed these students Advanced Manufacturing Technicians, AMTs, who after the 2-year program would graduate with a full-time employment offer and begin not just a job, but a true career, a high-earning, rewarding career where they lead manufacturing into the future. Toyota's leadership spurred major growth and opportunity. In West Virginia, Indiana, Mississippi, and Texas in 2013, FAME continued to spread across the country. Alabama in 2014, Missouri in 2015, Louisiana in 2017. The industry was paying attention. AMTs could be the solution. As Manufacturing 4.0 and the Internet of Things paved the highway into the future, AMTs were in the driver's seats. With demand for FAME growing, it became clear that a larger national operation was not only possible, but needed. To help facilitate that growth, the Manufacturing Institute established FAME USA in 2019, with Toyota formally transitioning the program to the stewardship of the MI in September that same year.
Manufacturing Institute is a trusted partner, ideally equipped to build on FAME's strength and to take it to the next level. There's no better organization to lead FAME into the future and realize the full potential than the Manufacturing Institute.
Using the platform afforded by the MI's partnerships, FAME could expand its reach and influence like never before.
We have a skilled labor challenge in the country, but we are going to solve that through an industry-led collaboration in order to train the people for the jobs that we need.
Today, more than 400 companies across the nation participate in FAME. As the program grows and class sizes swell, FAME has graduated over 1,500 students since 2012, half of which occurred in the last 3 years.
There are more need for programs like this to build the capacity in the industrial workforce.
We need those maintenance technicians, those engineers brought into our facilities. This is a great training ground for it.
What they learn in the classroom, they also get the practical application of it at work.
We get feedback from the industry to see how to work with those students to get them trained to a level that they can be a competent worker in the future.
As the premier workforce training program for skilled technicians, the FAME AMT program is building the modern manufacturing workforce.
Manufacturing is always going to be around, and there's always going to be a need for manufacturing technicians.
Things that they're learning in this program will help them be the next generation of creators.
I really like the different pathways that I could follow with FAME AMT. There's a lot to learn, so to have somebody that is willing to teach you and take you under their wing to do things properly and how to actually be successful in this job makes a big difference.
FAME USA is training the next generation of manufacturing team members and ensuring a best-in-class workforce to create the future.